It's a 2018 Audi A3 sedan. This luxury compact sedan leaves you wanting for nothing. From impressive power to luxurious features to efficiency, this A3 does it all. It comes with all the amenities you need. Streaming audio, front heated leather bucket seats, power heated mirrors, power sliding and tilting sunroof, auto shift manual transmission, gas pressurized shocks, external memory control, dual zone climate control, front wheel drive, and turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Road and Track points out, inside the A3 sedan's cabin lives up to every expectation you might have based on prior experience in modern Audis. When you drive an Audi, the design and performance make sure you stand out in a crowd. Experience it for yourself today.
At Audi Atlanta, we prove every day that buying a car can be an enjoyable experience. Contact Audi Atlanta today or stop on by. We're conveniently located at 5805 Peachtree Boulevard in Atlanta.